learn about the how to calculate the finished goods value through different method. The method are furnished here. There is first method is FIFO, then LIFO, then weighted average method, and last is simple method. That is simple method. Simple method. Okay. So there is FIFO is what is FIFO? That is FIFO means first in first out. That is the material which will come first will go out first, and then LIFO is again last in first out. That is the material which will come last will go out first, and the second and the third is weighted average method, and the last one is simple method. So let's start with the each and every item. Let's start with each and every item. Okay? So first we will see the FIFO method. Okay. So there is FIFO. There is FIFO method. Taking the black pen. FIFO method. That is FIFO method is that is the formula of the FIFO method is value of cost of production by value of cost of production divided by units produced into unit of closing stock. Units of closing stock of finished goods. So the value of the finished goods closing through the FIFO method is value of cost of production by unit produced into unit of closing stock of finished goods. So through this method we can find out the closing stock value of finished goods. Okay. Now we will see the LIFO method. Okay. LIFO method consists of two items. That is, in LIFO method we have two formula. Okay. First one is when closing of finished goods is more than unit of opening finished goods. That is, when closing finished goods units is more than unit of opening finished goods unit, then the formula is value of opening stock plus cost of production by unit produced into excess unit. That is, what is excess unit? That is closing unit minus opening unit. We will do some math regarding to this afterwards in the next video. Okay. So closing unit minus opening unit, that is the excess unit. So the ultimate formula is value of opening stock plus cost of production by unit produced into excess unit of closing stock. Okay. So this is the formula. This is the formula for LIFO when the closing unit is more than the opening. And according to the LIFO, that is the second phase. That is when closing finished goods is less than the unit of opening finished goods. First we have learned when the closing is more than opening. Now when the closing is less than level. Now in this, when the closing FG units, FG stands for finite goods, okay, is less than the unit of opening FG. In this criteria, the formula is simple, that is value of opening stock by opening stock unit into unit of closing stock of finished goods. Clear? So when the closing finished goods is less than the unit of opening finished goods, then we have to compare the units. Okay, don't compare the value. Also, we will not able to find the value because we have to find the value from this formula only. We'll only take the units if the closing finished goods unit is less than the opening finished goods unit. Then the formula will be value of opening stock by opening stock unit into unit of closing stock. Clear? Now we will learn the weighted average method. Okay, so weighted average method. So let's start with the weighted average method. Weighted average method. It's a very easy method and a very common method. This weighted average method frequently come in the exam. Okay, so the formula is opening finished goods value. Mind it please, it's a value, okay, plus cost of production divided by unit of finished goods value, that is opening out, of course, plus unit produced into units of closing stock of FG. That is we need to find. Okay. So when average method is counted, that is maximum time, then the formula will be opening finished goods value, then plus cost of production by unit of finished goods value, units, that's opening, plus unit produced into unit of closing stock of FG. Clear? Now we will learn the simple average method. Okay, so now the simple average method, that is very easy, that is price per unit of opening stock, price per unit of opening stock plus cost of production per unit, also it is divided by 2, that is average, na, into unit of closing FG stock. So clear? This is very easy method. This sometimes come, but the important is the weighted average method is a very important part, and after that the FIFO is also important, then FIFO. Okay. So these are the various methods to ascertain the finished goods value. After we have to add with the cost of production, that is add the opening value of the finished goods less the closing value of the finished goods. So this is the closing value of the finished goods which we